In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effect on text font in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take plain text and make it stand out with eye-catching effects, or using Canva's built-in tools. First, open your design in Canva as you normally would. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, a thumbnail, or any other project. Once your design is open, look for the text you want to enhance. This might be a title, a subtitle, or even a smaller label. Go ahead and click on that text box once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and little handles around the text. This step is important because Canva only shows the text editing options when a text element is active. Now that your text is selected, move your attention to the top toolbar of the Canva interface. Right above the design area, you'll see several options like font, size, color, and alignment. Among these, look for the button labeled Effects. Click on the Effects button and a panel will open, usually on the left or just under the toolbar, depending on your screen size. In this Effects panel, you'll see different styles you can apply to your text. Some common examples include shadow, lift, hollow, splice, echo, glitch, neon, and others, depending on the current Canva features. Take a moment to hover over each style and click on one that fits the look you're going for. As soon as you click an effect, you'll see your text update in real time on the canvas. After you've selected an effect style, you'll notice additional controls for customizing it. These on-screen prompts and sliders might let you adjust things like intensity, direction of the shadow, blur, transparency, or the colors used in the effect. Follow these on-screen options one by one. For example, you can drag a slider to increase or decrease the strength of the shadow, or change the highlight color to match your brand palette. Make small adjustments, then glance back at your design to see how it looks overall. Take your time to fine-tune everything until the text effect feels balanced and readable. When you're happy with it, simply click outside the text box to deselect it and your effect is applied. That's all you need to do to add an effect on text font in